I need to go and double check the stuff. Your record. Okay. Hi, my name is Evgeny. I'm CTO and co-founder of Guru Network. And today we're going to talk about new products we releasing, as well as developments on Guru Network, covering major topics like when token and whatever happens with season passes, and yeah, going over all that stuff. We have a pretty comprehensive plan here, so why not start from intro and welcome? What Guru Network is, and we proceed now to uh, actual screen, and we'll go through Guru Network first. How we got all the way from trading terminal being DexGuru, you all guys know, to pivoting towards Guru Network, launching the token and so on. How we got all the way. So we started as a trading terminal, 45 space, supporting 180 dexes, 18 chains, and on the way there we had quite a journey where we went through whole DeFi summer when all those degen activities were rising up, and we were on top of it like surfers on the wave. And but everything ends. All the waves ended at some point, and that wave ended as well with crypto winter. And during crypto winter, we as a team just decided to build different B2B products out of the same tech and the same pipeline, like mainly indexation pipeline. Uh, we've built for trading terminal, and then we spinned up like Block Explorer, started doing business development and sales to different chains with it, and decided to extend it with data warehouse, different data services API, and embeddings of ChatGPT agents. So we created like explorers for 18 chains. Then we did uh, we did warehouse, and warehouse actually uh, gave us ability to do community driven like content in our product. So in warehouse, it's like do analytics type of product as we're calling it, but we created it to basically power up our block explorers first, because this section of charts and stats is powering up by dashboards which are coming from block explorer, and anyone can contribute, anyone can do different like queries. The whole data set is in there, as well as we have like Jupyter Hub integration. So we're building like comprehensive B2B products for good year and a half. And on the way there, we created like internal framework which allowed us to spin up all those products out of the same backend, as I mentioned, and run and maintain them in cost-effective and resources-effective way. The only thing what was missing at some point is like execution, and for execution, we decided to introduce another kind of system to our internal system, which is like a flow executor. And flow executor allowing us to design different processes and those kind of diagrams, and those processes actually combining like multiple contexts together. Think of it as like a combination of Web2 process or off-chain process, where you orchestrating user actions through different model windows, through task lists, through like inboxes and so on, along with different Web3 actions and events coming from indexation of blockchain, along with AI processors and everything what's related to our AI integrations. Like we have, for example, here for the dashboards, we providing GPT, which is aware of dashboard context, which is coming from our data warehouse. And again, data warehouse is community driven; anyone can contribute. And that's a major difference in how we approaching things now in DexGuru. So uh, if before we were looking into like providing a very good products, and we were basically uh, mainly we're focused on ourselves in figuring out what we're doing and how we're doing it, and so on. Now we're turning more towards community, and that's actually explains one of those switches why we're doing Guru Network. Uh, on Guru Network side, uh, think of it as our internal product got so good that we decided to productize it, that we see that it brings benefits to not only for us internally but for everyone who's on the market. It creates like a rich participants ecosystem, and in like we're thinking about it for quite a while. That's why we have all this documentation, white papers, slide papers, and so on, explaining to the people and to ourselves like what we're trying to build in here. And what we're trying to build in here, we're trying to build in here like ecosystem where network participants can participate in, we're calling it atomic franchise economy, where gurus can create like AI processors, they can run nodes or individual agents, and those pieces of content, or if you want like snippets, are utilized by other ecosystem participants like ecosystem projects, and we'll go through it a little bit later, and retail users can use it as well via smart wallet, Guru smart wallet, which plans there, which would include the same flow mechanism. So you would be able to run different automations non-custodially on your wallet, picking up ones from catalog. Uh, for example, one we have in V2 DexGuru right now. And starting running there different AI processors, non-custodial execution, and so on and so forth. We also decided to work closely with Chainlink on all of those things. That's why in DexGuru V2 we have Chainlink functions integrated. And for Guru Network, before mainnet launch, we with tentative planning for August, we're planning to do Chainlink CCIP integration, which would bring our orchestration abilities as well as we're calling it multi-chain AI compute layer abilities to the next level. So this is roughly the Guru network, and we are going through transition right now, and on the way there we transitioning our products as well. And actually on this front of transition, we have the whole like article on how we got to this idea, how those ideas evolved, and mainly you know like being a co-founder of startup is hard, but being a co-founder of crypto startup is even harder, because uh, with traditional Web2 startups and Web2 world, you can pick an idea and stick with it for quite a while, uh, and basically cycles are much longer. But in crypto, trends are changing within like quarters, and you're always trying to get somewhere with your product, like where market is, and cycles are just switching much faster. And through this process of evolving through the cycles, we kind of adopted our vision and adopted our kind of what we're doing here, and that's basically why we switch to Guru Network, and why we created the whole like the whole plan on how we moving all our current products there, as well as onboarding new ecosystem participants. Speaking about ecosystem participants, we starting from flow development, maybe in November last year, we started something new completely from scratch and open sourced, and now it's called Guru Framework. And Guru Framework is like a core service of every service Guru provides. It's in token terminal, it's in data warehouse, it's in flow, it's in V2 DexGuru. The whole V2 DexGuru is built on top of it. So anyone, we providing the platform to the community of builders. We providing the platform publicly, so anyone can fork it, create their own services, and if they need to communicate with other participants of Guru network, like order different uh, like results of calculations from them or services or something else, Guru network is exactly there to be like synchronization layer in between those. So that's how we come into idea of releasing and migrating our products to Guru network. And one of the first products which is getting there is DexGuru V2, right? And in DexGuru V2, we decided to launch it in some kind of not very official way, and uh, start from something fun and showing you how technology actually works. So whenever you get into DexGuru V2, and that this is accessible like for everyone. Most of the functionality in here, like all in this menu, like traditional token explorer for DexGuru, all this analytics which gets behind it, or for example flows, uh, currently available only for season pass 1 holders, and season pass 2 holders which are invited by season pass 1. Uh, that functionality where you can play with pictures and generate new art for season 2, and basically then mint it as a season 2 NFT if you share it in the social, is available for everyone. And that's the way you can onboard to this new product and basically work in it. uh, what happens right now is basically I picked two different Guru mascots, and behind the scenes, DexGuru orders image generation, like AI image generation, from another ecosystem product, which is like Pixel Pact. So what Pixel Pact actually started from this repository. So uh, they had an idea that it would be cool to generate NFT collections using AI models. And they were tackling that idea on East Denver Hackathon, and I was mentoring in there. So I suggested using the framework. So in a matter of couple of months, they created production ready product out of Guru framework. And orchestration engine of Pixel Pact actually works on Guru network. So this kind of atomic franchise mechanism which we have embedded in Guru network starting shining there, because for this particular process, where is it? Yeah, in here. For this particular process, whenever you're picking up 2 pictures and sending them for generation, it goes from DexGuru to Pixel Pact, and basically results are backed as this picture, and it's ready to be like minted if someone whitelisted you through invites mechanism, or you can uh, share on Twitter, share on Telegram, share on Facebook, and basically get some points and get uh, get availability to mint those NFTs for the share. Let's just play with it a little bit and maybe regenerate. And let's pick those two, for example. Yeah. While it's working on the next picture, we can go over some other ideas I just mentioned. So again, we ourselves see Guru network not only as base layer 3 network for Guru product, but for rich ecosystem of different network participants, where everyone is motivated to basically do their job, while Gurus contributing ecosystem projects, basically absorbing it, and retail users creating retail value for all of those. Uh, yeah, and coming back to here, we're still waiting for another art to be generated. Uh, so that creates unique NFT collection in Zend, like where every NFT is created from Guru mascots, and uh, we believe that it's a cool technology which is showcasing our ideas and our flow, and we published video about it like yesterday. We probably can turn it on and stream it. It's very informative and very short. Not like I am talking about everything 4 hours. If we can switch to video right now, and show it uh, to the users.
DexGuru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. DexGuru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru Network powers it. On DexGuru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that DexGuru sends to the Guru Network as an agent order. The pixel-packed node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to DexGuru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
Yeah, how cool is that, right? So it was pretty much everything what we have in DexGuru V2, and interesting. I probably swapped from sent my own season pass NFT to someone else to actually check it. Let me quickly see what I can do in here to figure it out. So let me quickly switch the accounts. Next, connect. Okay, this is not the one. Oh, interesting. How it happened? For a minute. Interesting. So, okay, I'll check with devs if they can send me back season pass NFT so I can showcase it. The other thing I wanted to cover is actually question on when token, because you guys were waiting for it for quite a while, and lots of questions coming out of it, and we finally have an answer to it. Let me actually I need to let me actually show it to you. Hold on a sec. I forgot that I need to have VPN on streaming computer to actually show you the listing, and I'm thinking of what I can do right now. Oh, let me actually connect from different one and we'll go through it. Let's do it real quick. While we are looking at Guru Season 2, I would connect from another computer. So where I have VPN and don't have any issues like that. Okay, I'm entering the studio, and if our community manager would be able to like leave both of the things in place, like, but one would be used for screen sharing, another one for voice and stuff. Yeah, we're here. And now I can present and share the screen. Cool. Looks good. So, when talking, this is our LBP event, and basically Guru token already existed. It just don't have liquidity yet. And LBP starts in 3 days on June 3rd, and it's going to be there for 3 days as well till June 6th, and anyone can participate in our price discovery event. So this is like a first event we do for token release, and after token release, we're planning like all this testnet phase going on from June till August. So in August we're planning mainnet launch, and while it's happening during this test phase, we're going to migrate and release even more products on Guru network, the DexGuru V2. More ecosystem products would be onboarded, like Pixel Pact or traditional Web3, and so this LBP event is basically like a jump starting Guru network economy, because Guru token is utilized by all the participants of rich Guru network ecosystem. Yeah, so that's what you guys were waiting for so long, like launching of Guru token and season passes being rewarded, and that's exactly what we do right now, and what options we opening. Again, LBP on Monday. Feel free to check, participate. It's going to be fun. Yeah, this is LBP, and in here I probably can showcase the actual DexGuru V2 if I have NFT in this wallet. I don't yet, so I probably need to switch to another one. This one. Okay. Disconnect, connect, disconnect. So let me do this. Oops, sorry. More tools, developers tools. I'm just dropping the cache to get wallet working. Okay, now I can connect to the same one. Cool. MetaMask, sign, next, connect, sign, sign. Nope. Oh, that's actually Lucy. I myself can only show you right now the video. That's what happens with live demo and live launches, honestly. Let me quickly check where I have it. Testnet 0f, testnet 0f, yes. And here. I actually double checked and I have it. Yes. Generate Guru NFTs and then flows. Yeah. So now it's actually getting in. So those are basically automations. And this section of DexGuru is still under heavy development. In here, we are trying to show you what kind of uh, automations and Web3 automations and AI processors you would be able to apply to your daily DGen and Web3 activities. So here, for example, we have like trading strategy to get out of everything if market drops, and those signals of if something actually happens or not coming from our data warehouse, then they process through our Guru network orchestration node where this process is running. And if some particular uh, conditions matched, we basically send in the signal for non-custodial execution, and that's how the whole strategy works in non-custodial way. So think of it as uh, sniping bots we were all loving to use and probably still love to use, but those are organized in the way that you can actually design it and propose new diagrams in catalog for everyone to utilize. So and if someone actually grabbing it for themselves, they pay an instantiation fee, as well as you can set up every step here to be priced in. So basically, they're paying for infrastructure, uh, and that's the way to collaborate in here. Basically, you can create those diagrams, publish them in catalog, and whenever someone's starting it, they pay you a fees. This is flows. Then we have our regular token explorer. I'm not sure why it's actually limited while I have NFT. It's still in beta testing. And what else I can do here? Actually, nothing. Um, yeah, that's probably was the whole demo of what I can demo today. Uh, we had a nice one yesterday, but today something got broken, and yeah, not working anymore. Anyway, how you contribute into catalog? It's basically our data warehouse, and in here you can create and modify those diagrams and fork them and for like create new ones, put them in catalog, and from catalog everyone grabbing it for different purposes. Like they can use AI processors like those we're using to generate images. They can use those trading strategies. They could use uh, some strategies to automate the regular actions, get in, get out when type came. And because we have data warehouse hooked up to it, we can create any kind of queries on top of any data on all those chains we support. And we support 18 chains. So you can hook up any kind of activity to any kind of data we present in here. And that's the whole idea around like DexGuru V2 with automations, with data rich options. So you're not only doing your researches, we all basically get used to in DexGuru and in similar products, which showing you uh, like all the possible analytics, traders categorization, all that stuff. Uh, but you can create new things and new ideas there and contribute to the community, and community can pay you back. On the way there, especially during testnet phase, where we kind of testing new ideas and new things in there with Guru Network. So in between now and August, we going to propose different activities to our community and testing DexGuru V2 for community of season pass holders is the first of them. And every action you're doing here is actually written on the Guru network, because Guru network is used for communications between all those orchestration engines. And every action is basically written on chain. So snapshotting for rewarding everyone becomes much easier and becomes much more atomic because in those events we see uh, all the Web2 flow as well as Web3 flow. So we can hook up like rewards and activities to both of them. And that was a motivational speech to actually to participate in our activities and in our testnet phase. Uh, we have 20% of allocation rewarded for to season pass owners. So to season pass owners, and we plan on having like five seasons of season passes, and now basically two of them started. There is the first one which started 2 years ago, and now we asking this community to boost their rewards, to participate in all those activities, to invite new members into season 2 passes, and basically boost the rewards, earn rewards, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's pretty much covers it. Let's go through the questions if we have any.
We have a question from Twitter
Mhm.
from Pixel War. How to claim airdrop as an NFT holder?
Yeah, so as an NFT holder, you already like eligible for airdrop whenever it happens. But if you want to get like better airdrop, you may want to boost your rewards. And boosting rewards meaning like you would help us to develop the product, to bring it to the market, uh, uh, all the way to Guru mainnet, and that way I would say you'll be boosting your rewards like 10 times at least. Uh, that's how you can utilize your current season 1 NFT, as well as you can invite new members to season 2 NFTs and get rewards for that, as well as they would be rewarded. Have fun, play with automations, contribute to catalog, get rewards there if anyone using it, and that's the whole flow around Guru Network and DexGuru V2. Do we have any other questions?
Thank you, Evgeny. We can go through our traditional question, which people ask us a lot. Can you please tell more how people can engage with Guru Network at the moment? Like sum it up in regard to users, developers, and businesses.
Yeah, so engagement wise, if you're using DexGuru V2, you already engaging with Guru Network. All your actions in DexGuru V2 are seen on Guru Network block explorer. So it's literally works off Guru Network. So if you're using V2 for anything, it's already in there. But if we're talking about contribution and collaboration and building, uh, we are building everything around gurunetwork.ai website, and there is like a docs section in here, which I'm currently polishing. And in the docs section, there is like explanation of how it works and how you can build on top of it, as well as links to our repository I mentioned earlier, which is like GitHub, DexGuru, and here we have framework, we have front end, we have like different stuff. So to actually start your project on top of Guru Network, you can start from forking our Guru framework, and Guru framework allows you to basically spin up project from scratch in a matter of weeks because it has everything embedded. It has like backend as orchestration engine. It has like GUI. It has different workers, agents, uh, which you can utilize for Web3 activities as well as AI activities as AI processors and so on and so forth. So we are building those catalog of snippets you would be able to utilize of our own products, but we expect community to contribute more in here and some ideas and some of the basically implementations of those ideas coming from community.
Yeah. Thank you, Evgeny. We have one more question from YouTube. Crypto Tech asks us, hello, can I send an invite to my second wallet for testing?
Yes, you can. There is nothing what limits you from doing it. Preferably, you would invite someone else because we're looking for more like users. But yeah, we are in Web3 world. New accounts there is new accounts there. We're not connecting the dots. That's not our kind of main focus there. Our main focus there is basically providing you a tooling and fun stuff to play with. So feel free to do it.
Thank you. For all our
I see you published some season 1 collection links, and we also have a season 2 collection link already. It's on base. Right now it's empty. It's waiting for all the basically invites to due dates, which probably would start tomorrow. But yeah, there is already a second collection for V2. And
I want to just mention that there is Guru Network Season Pass 1 NFTs on the open market. For those who want to engage and participate in prize discovery event later.
Yeah, and we're also opening the mechanism to get season 2 NFT, even if you hadn't been invited, or even if you hadn't had season 1 NFT and just basically moved it to another wallet, as we discussed earlier. So this activity we have showcasing our AI generation technology for images. It ends up with a cool image and a blog post and a post which you can share on X, on Facebook, on Twitter. And if you're sharing it, you would be and you logged in with the wallet, you would be able to mint season 2 NFT with this picture you shared. That's the functionality which is not there right now, but it would be with opening of minting season like tomorrow. So there are options even if you don't have a season pass 1 NFT, but you need to be active basically. There is no options right now, but there would be in nearest future.
Sounds great. I want to encourage our viewers to ask more questions. We have questions from Twitch, we have questions from YouTube, but we do not have questions from Twitter. And I see a lot of viewers watching the stream from Twitter. So please ask your questions in replies if you want us to expand on something. Let's give people a minute, and while we're waiting, we can show some of our promo materials. Would it be explainer song or just more normal video? Evgeny?
Explainer. I'm usually for explainers.
Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go.
DexGuru is an AI-driven platform streamlining blockchain, AI, and user actions. It simplifies app development, focusing on innovation over tech competencies. Each transaction is part of orchestrated business processes, ensuring secure, validated actions. Integrating AI and blockchain, Guru enhances functionality, enabling efficient, contextually aware applications. Utilizing Chainlink CCA, it addresses blockchain fragmentation, allowing seamless process integration across chains. Future plans include decentralizing BPPA engines for enhanced security and transparency. BPPA focuses on AI model applications, incentivizing network participants. Guru Network empowers users with low-code solutions, simplify app development with drag and drop interfaces and pre-built templates that get accessible to all.
Well, it seems like our viewers had plenty of time to ask their questions. Probably it was a very good presentation if it doesn't leave a space for questions.
Again,
So,
thank you for your time, guys. We are. Feel free to check the DexGuru V2, especially if you're season pass holder. If you're not, feel free to play with those pictures. Those are cool and showcasing the actual options here, and participate in LBP. Finally, Guru token is in there. It's starting trades on Monday, and it's happening for 3 days as LBP happens, and it's a prize discovery event. So basically, everyone encouraged. That's pretty much all I wanted to cover today. If there are no questions.
we don't have questions. We have a bit of love from our community. So that wraps up our DexGuru V2 launch live stream. We want to extend a massive thank you to everyone who joined us today. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you are as excited about DexGuru V2 as we are. Our team has put in countless hours to bring these new features and improvements to life, and we can't wait for you to start exploring them. Remember, DexGuru V2 is designed to make your trading experience more intuitive, insightful, and efficient. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow us on our social media channels to stay updated with all our latest news, feature releases, and upcoming events. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach us out on our platforms. Your input is invaluable as we continue to improve and evolve DexGuru. Once again, thank you for being a part of this exciting journey. Here's to the future of decentralized trading. Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks for your time and thanks for joining.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.